I always thought this card was cool. And it actually, if it was a higher grade, it'd be worth even more. But this is actually a pretty popular card because this guy, Stan Lee's obviously passed away. I think there's autograph ones going for like 1,000 or more. But this card here comes out at $90. So I probably will sell this, even though I like this card. Like, this is one of those cards you remember, pulling as a kid. All right, the next are all Shohei Ohtani's. I was a big fan of this guy, just getting back into baseball, during COVID. And I'm like, this guy's from Japan. He can pitch. He can strike people out. He can hit 40 plus home runs. His power was amazing. I remember just like watching YouTube, with him hitting home runs and just getting better and better. And just like the sound or the crack of the bat, like the guy's power and his precision is just amazing. And he's from Japan. It's kind of amazing. Like, he's doing he's done stuff that hasn't been done since like Babe Ruth days, which is amazing considering like how much more people are athletes nowadays. So he's got a little different competition. So I picked up a lot of these cards last year, kind of before he started breaking all these records and stuff. Again, I just kind of got back into it, but so I got a lot of these graded. So this one had a 9.5. I think it's like a $50 card. So there's a lot of these cards out there, but I figured I'd just get them graded. And that was that style Topps card where they kind of rehashed it. So it's 2019. This is a second year card. It's like a $30 card. I just like the way this card looks, so that's why I got it graded. And here's the rest of my Shohei cards. So this is the Wings card. So they kind of like black out his name, but it's an actual limited, whatever, 36 and 99, but they probably make like 20 different variants of this. So I tried to pull comps in this. There's only really raw cards going for 58. So I'll probably ask a couple $100 on this. And if it doesn't sell, whatever, I'll just keep it. But really nobody's sent or got one of these cards graded yet. So my guess is if mine does sell, everyone will use this as a comp, and as the PSAs and other HGAs come back graded, it'll be worth more. Again, this guy's not going down in price anytime soon. Next is his 2018. This is a rookie card. And this one comps out at about $100. And I think I picked this card up for, $2-3. And that's him pitching. This is another rookie card where he's batting. So that was his debut, March 29th, 2018. Definitely a talk. It'll be the talk again, come when baseball season opens back up. This is about a $100 card. And then I got a 9.0, probably an $80 card. And then here's him pitching again. And that's probably a $100 card. And another one, $100 card. So that's my submission. Other than that, HGA did a nice job. They did take a long time to get all this stuff back. And this is how I kind of figure out the finances here. So these are the cards I'm probably going to keep just because. And I do have a nice account on eBay where I list numismatic coins, silver bullion, gold, comic books, things like that. And I've got, top rated seller. So I do have my own standard seller store. So the fee, so this is what the comps are. That's full retail on eBay. That's like me not discounting whatever, but that's what I hope to get. In reality, probably be, 5, maybe 10% less than that. But anyways, this is the fee that eBay charges you when you have an actual store, and then they charge 30 cents per item. eBay handles the payments, so that's about $375 in fees. Then there's my grading fees, which was the $9.40 at $20 a card. Today, guys, if you send your cards in, it's $25. Then you got shipping back and forth. So that's my total grading fees, including shipping. And then you got supplies. So, you're not going to just send this card with a piece of junk mailer. So as you're selling these cards, I got these nice heavy duty envelopes that I mail my cards and coins in. And then you got to, tape the label on there, probably bubble wrap the card inside. If you keep it under 4 ounces, it's usually under $4. But anyways, I'll make this buyer pay for the shipping, but still figuring some supplies. So all in all, it'll take me about 4 hours. I'm pretty fast. You know, taking like baseball cards are easy to list. You just take a photo of the front, the back. This is in my photo booth, so it'll be on like a nice pedestal. And I've already done the research on what I'm going to ask for all the cards. But anyways, this is what I think my total profit will be. And that's it. So anyways, guys, appreciate you watching the video. I know it's super long, but I don't think anyone's really done one yet for HGA. And a lot of these videos that I have been watching where it's like an unboxing, it's kind of like, I don't know, is it worth it? I guess if you want to like send your old collection as a kid, but if you're just like buying cards raw to try and flip, I mean, and you're gonna want to, you're gonna wait. However, what was it? August, so September, October, November, December, January, February. Like, dude, that's 6 months. Like, you're gonna really wait 6 months to get into this hobby and try and turn a profit, and then I don't know. Just it seems to be a lot of work. So I again did it for more of myself. Like the things that I submitted were from when I was a child. So now I've kind of like turned these into investment quality. But I also wanted to submit a bunch of others so that I can get my money back on getting these graded. But all in all, is it worth it? Probably not. But how was my experience with everything? You know, with HGA, it was okay. It was definitely longer than I expected. You know, 60 days turned into 6 months. But all in all, I'm happy the way these cards look. I'm happy that they bag them, which is nice. So I can reuse this bag when shipping it. You know. And I think they did a nice job. They made one mistake on one of the comic cards, but I think that was me, the way I was filling out. I was probably filling out too late at night. But I think they do a nice job. I like them better than like SGC or these other brands where it just looks like a piece of plastic in a card. So these are very attractive looking. They're not PSA, but again, let's be honest, guys. You know, if I were to submit all these cards to PSA, I could have bought a car. Like that's how much, you know, think about $100, 47 cards. That's $4,700 to send this stuff to PSA. And for what? Just to get a few more bucks out of it. Like that's like where you send stuff that's worth big money, not this kind of stuff. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's cool if you give me a thumbs up. I know it's like super long, but, wanted to get this experience out to everybody. And, my next unboxing video will probably be back doing coins, or I might submit more cards because I picked up some other cards, but I don't know if I want to wait another 6 months. Like, to me, that's no me gusta. Anyways, have a good one, guys. Appreciate it. And thanks for watching.